Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Corey from Corey's Tech Time, and today we are looking at my wife's Pixel 6 in Sorta Seafoam. So my wife was nice enough to allow me to unbox her new Pixel 6 that I'm sure that she's ready to just get her hands on. But let me just quickly unbox these and then I'll show you my Pixel 6 again. I got the stormy black version. So here's the case. This is the Google case and it's called Little Rain. Hopefully that comes through okay. And then this is the Sorta Seafoam Pixel 6. And then the side of the box kind of matches the color as well. So yeah, this is not unlike mine's, but just doesn't have the black border like mine's has. But anyway, let's get this thing open. So far I've been using my Pixel 6 for like the last couple hours, and so far so good. I'll talk more about it in the in my first impressions video. But yeah, let's get this thing open. And wow, it looks really nice. It's actually, it looks more white to me though at this angle. But yeah, this is pretty nice. So let me get this screen protector off and turned on. But yeah, there it is. Really nice design. I like what Google did this year. And I'll help her get this set up. She's switching from a Pixel 5 to the Pixel 6. And she already mentioned that the size is much bigger than her 5. But anyway guys, that's it for this one. But yeah, this is pretty sweet. Just checking it out. Yeah, that color is nice. I even like this lime color here as well. It's pretty sweet. All right guys, that's it for this one. See you in the next one soon. Peace.